Hi, I'm BJ. I'm going to be demoing the Jobs Tracker app. What you're currently looking at right now is dark mode. There's also a light mode, and you're also looking at the dashboard, which shows all your metrics and your job application totals for the job applications you've added. So at the very top are the total number of applications you've added. In this case, it's 33. Underneath your totals are the applied rate and your other metrics. Applied rate are your total number of applications versus the number of applications you've completed. So in this case, we have 33 total applications and 31 applications that we've completed. Underneath that is the interview rate. Interview rate are your total number of applications versus the total number of applications that have led to an interview. All of these metrics are based on the statuses you set when you create or when you add your job application. And we'll go through creating a job application shortly. Underneath that are the applications you've applied to in the last 7 days. So your incomplete applications won't show here. It'll be your applied job applications, and this will be a bar chart that populates. Underneath the applied in the last 7 days is the offer rate. Offer rate is your total number of applications versus the number of applications that have led to a job offer. In this case, that would be 1. So if I tap the top here, the 33 applications section, I see my job totals. So if I tap, I can tap each block at the bottom here. So if I tap application incomplete, those are the number of applications I have not completed, I have not applied to. If I tap application complete, that's the total number of applications that I have applied to, and so on. There's application rejected, which are your applications that you applied to and that did not lead to a recruiter call. You got that denial, that automated denial message or whatever. And there's also denied, where you've gone through the interview process or you have had an interview and then you just got denied for the actual job, or even maybe you just spoke to the recruiter and you did not even get the interview, but you spoke to somebody. That's the difference between application rejected and denied. So if I go back, we'll add a job application. So if I tap the plus button there in the middle of the tab bar, I can add a job application. So if I put my position that I'm applying for, I'm going to put the company, and I describe the role. In this case, I'll just put a couple of the technologies. If I wanted to set an applied date, I'd hit the toggle here and set it to today or whatever the specific applied date is. In this case, I will not set an applied date because I've not applied, so I'll toggle this off. And underneath that, you can set a status. In this case, again, I'll leave it at application incomplete because I've not applied. And then at the very bottom, you can add your application URL. And I'll just paste it there. So I can tap add at the top right. And right here, you'll see that my application has been added. You can tap the application, you can edit it, you can navigate to the actual link, and then you can see the list of all your other applications. You can search, etc. So that is the demo. That's the entirety of the functionality. Actually, let me show widgets. So this at the top right here is the widget. I can edit the widget and show any of the 3 metrics that are on the dashboard. So if I wanted to add applied rate, I could select that, and then that'll show in the widget. And also, if I wanted to just add 3 of these widgets and set each of the metrics, I could do that as well. So that is the demo for the jobs tracker application. I appreciate the time and I hope you enjoy the app.